Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. It's David here at Digitrains. Here is a video of a recent sound installation completed by workshop manager John G. This time on a Heljan Class 28. John installed a ESU 58818 Next 18 sound decoder loaded with our DS28G Class 28 sound file for ESU decoder project, and an OWL Sound 20 by 20 by 7mm single square speaker. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound installed in your locos, please get in touch with our workshop team, either via email, johng@digitrains.co.uk, or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.